fantastic individuals day in, day out, whether they're in your office or not, whether they're in your building. The AberSU team has been fantastic, as well as the university. They really have helped us out. There's been a collectiveness to give the AberSU students the best time they can have here.
I really feel like I've seen a big increase in engagement from different types of students in activities. I think most notably our non-buck sports and our societies. I think the fact that over 230 people came to our sports awards and 160 came to the societies awards, which is more than we've ever had before, is just absolutely fantastic. I'm so proud of the fact that these groups are a bit more engaged.
Felly, un o'r prif ddigwyddiadau nes i drefnu leni, mae'n digwydd bob blwyddyn yn Aberystwyth, sef y ddawns ryngolegol. Roedd yn gyfnod anodd a phrysur iawn i ni, ond fe ath yn llwyddiannus iawn, pawb wedi joio, ac un o uchafbwyntiau'r flwyddyn yn bendant i mi oedd cael Bryn Fôn i ganu yma yn Aberystwyth.
I've been really proud of signing off the Postgraduate Employment Charter, changing the university's policy on assessment and feedback, and writing the student submission and annual statement, which was over 15,000 words about what students think about being at Aber.
Beth yw'r mwynhau gweithio ar y blwyddyn yma ydy cael bws minim a garchedd am y prifysgol, wellau'r template ar y wefan y prifysgol yn yr adran cymorth i wneud yn well i chi ffindo gwybodaeth, a hefyd yr ail newyddu o'r stafell ffydd tu allan i'r ganolfan celf.
So this is my last message as president of AberSU Students' Union. So it's a goodbye from me. For those of you who are graduating this year, congratulations on your studies. Go out there, be what you want to be, who you want to be, and really go drive to achieve something. You'll make a success out of yourself.
Felly, cyn ffarwelio ac Aberystwyth, licen i ddiolch i'r holl myfyrwyr sydd wedi cefnogi fi leni ac wedi rhoi'r profiad gorau i mi o fod yn swyddog ac yn newydd ymyga.
Well, it's my last few days in office now, so I would just like to say thank you to everyone, every student that I've come across this year. You've all been great, and it has been an absolute pleasure to be your activities officer this year, and I wish you all best of luck for the future.
Nawr i'r amser i gweud hwyl fawr a diolch. Rwy'n gobeithio chi mwynhau eich amser yn Aberystwyth. Fi'n siŵr chi wedi. A nawr i'r amser i creu newid. Cewch allan a creu newid.
This isn't goodbye from me. I'm really looking forward to coming back next year as your president.